In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog lights on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We'll disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it out. There's a couple clips holding this in. There's 3. Where's the other one? 1, 2, 3. Just take some needle nose pliers. You want to push in on the clips, and you can try to pull the fog light out from the front, or you can push it from the back. Squeeze those, push those out. And then grab the fog light from the front, and it slides right out. Before you install the fog lights, these bulbs are test bulbs, so you want to replace those. Just push on the 2 sides, and that squeezes the clips, and you can pull it out. And this is a PS24W bulb. So get a new one of those, put it in, lock it down. Now we can install it in the vehicle. Now you want to line these pins up. Once those are lined up, you can push the fog light in. And lock those in place. Now connect the connector, line it up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.